Yagambanwe n'inshuti yari yizeye imenyesha akakiri muzima. Inshuti ye nuko byagenze yasigaye mu nzira. Sibyo? Ya. Naho yasigaye. Telefone buriya y'umuntu ibirimo ibintu byinshi. Katorori. Tangire hano. Kana kari gucuranga piano. Ni kakana kiba kita Ana. Abyeyi nabo nabagome. Mwana yitwa Ana twikohereze filime. Kari gucuranga izagahinda. Bunderega n'indimbo umuntu ari kumva bikwereka umurengwa asigaye afite. N'umwijogotonyoro. Mu byo bintu ushobora kubirebera ku ndirimbo umuntu asigaye yumva. Yashano kana karakariye mama shawo. Basi wagerageje gucuranga ibindi bintu mwana wanjye. Basi mu rugo tuwe dufite ibintu byiza. Mwana ari gucuranga indirimbo z'agahinda. Kirano rwakomanze umukecuru. Kikureba. Nebe. Uyu ni madamu wa Willie Scott. Nabafasha.
Scott, we're with the bureau.
Madame Scott, duturutse muri FBI umugabo afite tatuwaje.
Will Scott is your husband?
Harya Willie Scott si umugabo wawe?
It's my ex-husband.
Yahoze ari umugabo wanjye. Bari baratandukanye.
Attempted to make contact with you recently.
Mu minsi ishize yaberigeze guhamagara. Kuki?
Dead.
Yarapfuye ariko.
He passed away a few days ago.
Hashize iminsi mike apfuye. Bwakabaye mubizi. Ibaze n'abakorera FBI.
I haven't noticed anything.
Ese nta kintu kidasanzwe waba umaze iminsi ubona ugakeka. Ushaka kuvuga iki?
Don't know, tried to get in touch with you.
Ese umugabo ntabwo yigeze agerageza kukuvugisha? Cyangwa undi muntu wakuvugisha nyuma y'uko umugabo wapfuye?
Why?
Kubera iki ariko?
It happened?
Hari icyabaye?
There's nothing for you to worry about, ma'am.
Nta cyatuma uhangayika.
I do want to stress, however, that this matter is very important.
Ntabwo twashaka gutera stress ariko ikibazo cyari kibiteye ni ingenzi.
Information regarding your husband.
Nukira amakuru yerekeranye n'umugabo wawe.
People that he was spending
aho yaba ari
days leading up
cyangwa abantu yabanaga nabo bya hafi watumenyesha.
Will and I divorced 4 months ago.
Maze amezi ntandukanye n'umugabo wanjye.
We've had since was during custody exchange of our daughter.
Duhamagara nayo yagiye kuma umukobwa wanjye cyangwa nka muhango babirirwa.
Think of anything suspicious, please let us know.
We nugira icyo umuntu ukeka kuzatumenyesha.
How will I get a hold of you?
None se nzabahamagara kuki? Ko mutansikiye nimero zanyu. Twe dufite izawe humura nyagasani. Abagabo bacishene. Yarumirwa. Gusa kana kumvirizaga. Kana gacaho. Kaza kwicara hano. Mama rumiwe. Abantu baje kumubaza ngo bakorera FBI. Kandi bamubaza ko umugabo yapfuye ngo ntabwo muherukana. Iki ni iki? Kandi nta muntu utabizi ko umugabo yapfuye. Nuko tutangiye episode ya 3 wibutsa izi filmu zisanga ku gasobanuyefilms.com. Bimeze bite? Rebe. Umugabo aracyazerera umukina n'uyu munsi ntabwo rumwe afite wo kwizera. Gusa aho twasize kimwe habonye ndetse izi filmu ukeneye kuzamamazaho uhamagara ku cyiciro gikuru cy'Agasobanuye bakita Rock Entertainment 0786688331. Sibyo? Cyangwa mukatwandikira ku mbuga nkoranyambaga zacu. Ababishinzwe bwombi iki n'iki baragusubiza. Katurori. Kututangi bakize Saifa. Mukabari hano. Rebe. Fata dunia yo tuceceke.
Mind.
Nishimiye ko ndi ibitekerezo yamugarukiye.
To be honest with you, I didn't really have a choice.
Mubwishe kuri namahitamo nari mfite.
I didn't come back because I trust you.
Ntabwo ngarutse hano kuko nkwizera.
I'm here because you're the only one left.
Ahubwo ndi hano kuko ari wenyine usigaye.
Got you.
All right.
Sawa.
I'm listening.
Noneho ndakumva.
What do you want to know?
urashaka kumenya iki wa mukobwa
Tell me everything.
mbwira buri kimwe
Well, I don't know everything, but I'll tell you what I know.
ntabwo nzi byose ariko ndakubwira ibyo nzi wumve
Okay.
nyine
I've been after this document for a while.
iyo dokima bamaze igihe kinini nyibaza
Who are they?
ese ni bande
They want.
barashaka icyo abayibazaga
Who are the target?
ibipimo biri kuri iyo dokima ni byande
What is the end game?
ese uyu mukino uzarangirira he
And these people that are listed on
abantu bari kuri iyo dokima
implicated in this whole scheme?
ese bose bari muri iki kibazo cyangwa nabo kwicwa cyane nibo bazica
What have they done to be self?
ese bari kuri iyo lisite bakoze iki barabashakira iki gusa ikiruta byose
Who are the people behind all?
abari inyuma yabyo byose noneho ni bandi
That sounds like a lot of questions.
njye ndumva mbajije ibibazo byinshi kuri njye
What about answers? You have any?
ese hari igisubizo na kimwe ufite
I'm working on
ndi
it.
kubikoraho yayisomera kuri duniya yote
Thought that I was getting close to solving a part of this mystery. You suddenly showed up.
ubwo numvaga ngiye gukemura ibintu byose nagiye kubona mbona nawe uraje
Nothing's been the same since.
ibintu bihita byivanga ntabyongeye kumera kimwe
So how did you find me?
wamenye gute aho ndi
I was following a lead and
hari umuntu nari nkurikiye nawe nsanga wagezeyo
Where?
hehe
Philip Washington.
nari nkurikiye witwa Philip Washington
Well?
uramwibuka
I was there.
nari mpari
It was me who called the police.
ni njye wahamagaye polisi
You're supposedly dead.
ubwo bashakaga kupfa
I am dead.
narapfuye ariko n'ubundi
Did you happen to get a glimpse of them?
abane igishinge urabonye si wa munsi mutera igishinge umukobwa yari ahari
By the time I got there,
ubwo nageraga
Your body is-
umurambo wawe bari bari kuwupakira mu modoka bawutwara
gone before I could make out the license plate.
bagiye ntarafata na purake zabo
Saying no clues, no.
bivuze ngo nta kimenyetso ufite nta makuru na make
Didn't even get a glimpse of them.
nta n'ubwo wababonye mukobwa
How'd you first discover the list?
iyo lisite ubundi wayibonye ute rwa rupapuro rurimo kode
It wasn't me.
ntabwo ari njye warufumbuye
Who was it?
indi se
My father.
papa wanjye niwe warufumbuye uyasoma kuri duniya yote uko ibibazo byiyongera wibutsa duniya yote irimo tombora
Then we go and see him.
twagiye kureba sose akatubwira
He's dead.
papa wanjye yarapfuye
They killed him.
baramwishe Asa,
Sorry.
wihangane papa yarapfuye
The guy I thought was my best friend
umuhungu natekereza ko ari inshuti yanjye
turns out to be a traitor.
byarangiye nawe ari umugambanyi
He's now 6 feet under.
ubu ngubu yanapfuye
Getting home to my family because my ex-wife and daughter think I'm dead.
ubu nta nubwo nataha mu rugo kuko wahoze uri umugore wanjye siko napfuye
Nothing.
nta kintu dufite natwe hano
Not even the list.
na lisite ubu ntayo dufite
So that we can try to understand who's behind it.
byibura iyo lisite tuyibonye twamenya ninde uri inyuma y'ibi bintu byose ya lisite irimo kode ntayagifite hano
I have a copy.
mfite kopi hey! mfite kopi ya lisite irimo amakode afite kopi uyu musore ni umuhanga
Girl was more than a call thank you.
kandi yari arenze kuba ari mugenzi wacu gusa n'umwe yapfuye
Yes, a friend.
yari inshuti
He was one of the best.
kandi yari umwe mu ba mbere kumbe ntabwo bazi ko yari umugambanyi yishwe na Willy Scott baravuga kandi
I know it's the last thing you want to think about.
ndabizi icyo kintu cyane mushaka gutekereza
Taking care of.
gusa famiye yawe tuzayitaho barabwira umugore we wapfuye
It's already been appointed.
ndetse hari n'amafaranga nyine yo kumufasha yabaye atanzwe yo kumushyingura umukozi wa FBI wapfuye
If you need
nugira icyo ukenera
my personal number.
iyi niyo nimero yanjye bwite wampamagaraho pani y'akazi abonye abantu b'abasirimu aguha business card nawe mwebwe murahura n'umuntu ngo afata telefone nkubwire nimero ngandika 07 kangahe asha
What's your name?
witwa nde
Tommy.
nitwa Tommy wapfuye afite umwana
Tell me, can you take care of your mom?
Tommy mama we wazamwitaho
Oh boy.
aho ni sawa tuzasubira kandi umuntu ahaguruka agenda mwe umuntu ajya guhaguruka ugafata ibitoki ukabikaraga ukayamba papa yapfuye papa w'umwana katorori byose biraza kumera sawa ibyo bimaze kuba hari yaje hano aba nabo bakorera FBI nabo baracyari mu iperereza ryo bababwiye ngo baze kujya kuvugisha umugore wa Willy Scott ngo bamubaze iby'umugabo we gukora amashusho babonye ariko babona nanone umuntu wagira ngo asa nka Willy Scott ariko bano boni babyimiye
Let's go.
ngwino tugenda
What's wrong?
ikibazo ki
What's wrong?
ikibazo ki
You know what's wrong.
ikibazo urakizi
What are we even doing here?
ubundi turakurikirana.
We're here because our superiors ordered us to follow up.
Turi hano kuko abayobozi bacu batubwiye ngo tuhaze. Afande aba yabwiye ngo mugende mubaze madamu wa Will Scott nimba nta makuru y'umugabo kandi umugabo yarapfuye.
We're still in mourning.
Tugiye kubaza umugore ukiri mugenda ko umugabo wapfuye.
News from her recently deceased.
Tumubaze ngese umugabo muraherukana kandi tubizi neza ko amaze iminsi apfuye. Urumva gushinyagura kurenza uko ari ukuye. Vayo tugende. Fande yavuze.
Let's go.
Tugende. Fande nimba avuze ukaba yavuze. Hari amashusho Fande yabonye abona nubwo atabonaga neza harimo ikintu cy'igihu n'iki. Vayo. Hakuno. Uyu nawe afitanye ikibazo n'umwana bafitanye beef. Kana karakariye mama. N'ibiryo byiri. Kana papa wakamaze iminsi apfuye. Umugore afite umunzani mu nzu yewe muri kubona inyuma we. Kiwe. Vayo.
Miss Scott.
Madame Scott.
Soda, this is my partner, Agent Green.
Uyu ni Agent Green turakorana.
You have a few questions.
Tugufite ibibazo biki.
What is this?
Hasi bini biki.
My house, the official FBI.
Inzu yanjye yabaye headquarter FBI. Kuki.
I just spoke with two of your agents.
Simaze kuvugana n'abandi baturutse kuri FBI mu kanya aba agent.
Yes.
Yego.
Two agents just
Vuganye n'aba agent babiri bameze nk'aba.
might ask me if you
Baje bambaza ibibazo nk'ibyo muje kumbaza.
here.
Ariko ubwo muri rero namwe reka mbabwire.
My ex-husband,
Wowe umugabo wanjye.
Scott, is...
Will Scott yarapfuye.
No, I haven't seen him
Sindongera kumubona.
Expect-
Ntabwo neka ko nzongera kumubona vuba.
unless the FBI believes in ghosts.
Kereka nimba FBI yizerera mu mizimu. Sasa FBI yarishe kucyekeranya ivuga ati umugabo wawe uramuheruka. Basanze ari n'abandi baje kumubaza bataza bari.
So this was your father's copy?
Bivuze ngo iyo niyo kopi ya papa wawe. Papa y'umukobwa yari afite kopi.
But I always saw it as his death certificate.
Ati igipapuro buri gihe nyibona nk'aho aricyo cyatumye papa wanjye apfa. Cya gipapuro kirimo amakode.
Deciphering is my job, and this
Ngiye gukuramo kode no gusobanura ibintu nk'ibi niko kazi kanjye.
is my entire...
Ariko sindabona akazi gakomeye muri kariyeri yanjye yose nk'aka. Bari kwinywera duniya yote.
Located.
Uretse n'iki kiri gutuma bigorana.
Okay,
Reba.
this.
Ibanu. Urebe.
Each individual line
Buri muntu wese.
responds with someone's name,
Urimo hano biba bihura n'izina ry'undi muntu.
but for each line I need to come up with a different method of deciphering.
Ndetse buri murongo wose ngezeho mba ngomba kuzana indi metode nshyashya yo gukuramo iyo kode.
And I'm not even sure these are names.
Nta nubwo mbazi neza nimba ari amazina y'abantu.
Is it these are...
Nta nubwo mbazi ibintu nimba ari amatariki bazapfiraho.
So,
Nta nubwo biri ku murongo umwe.
is no usable or
Ubwishe ukuri
pattern.
bino bintu biravanze.
How did you crack the first three names?
Amazina ya mbere so yamenye ute? Atatu.
Well, for each line,
Kuri buri
I
murongo
have to try dozens of equations,
nageragezaga equation nyinshi cyane nka 12.
individual code, separately.
Ndetse na kode yo ku ruhande nkabishakira equation mu buryo butandukanye. Biragoye.
Sorry. Help you if I was even remotely good.
Nakagufashije iyo mva kuba ndi umuhanga mu mibare.
What is your line of work?
None se ukora iki?
I'm an interior designer.
Ngiye nkora ndi interior design.
Wanna be?
Interior design nibyo akoramo. Designinga mu mazu iki n'icyantu bakatsa. Ashon.
What's up?
Bimeze biti?
Sir, are you certain that there are no other departments besides...
Ese nta yindi department iri kuri kino kirego cyacu?
I'm sure.
Ndabizi ntayo.
Is it CIA?
CIA se?
CIA has other things to worry about.
CIA ifite ibindi bintu ihangayikiye.
NSA.
NSA se?
We are the only ones on this.
Nitwe twenyine turi kuri iki kirego FBI.
Two unknown agents landing at Wilson.
None gute aba agent tutazi bagiye ku muryango wa Madame Scott bagiye kumubaza amakuru y'umugabo we.
To a T.
Sir, they asked her if she'd seen Will Scott.
Bari bagiye kubaza niba aheruka kubona umugabo we.
Then that he was dead.
Yikangamo.
You get descriptions.
Bababwiye abo bantu ko bameze.
Matches nearly half our staff.
Batubwiye ko bameze twumva si.
Stood out was one of the two detectives had a star tattoo.
Ngo gusa aba agent babiri bagiye kumureba bari bafite inyenyeri tatuwaje y'inyenyeri ku kaboko. Bya bishushanyo.
Looking at a fifth column or our first direct contact with who's ever responsible for this list. If that was them, that's a bold move.
Nimba bari bo rero bagize ba nabi bakoze igikorwa kibi.
Seen the crack is why Will Scott.
Ese kuki bari kugenda kuri Will Scott? Ni umuntu bari bagiye kwihera akazi gusa umunyakira ko utari uri no mu kirego. uzi gukuramo amakode gusa kubera iki Will Scott bamushaka dore nguyu gukoresha intoki ebyiri n'ukwandikisha amakaramu abiri nakubwiye ngo bino bintu bisaba ubwenge gukoresha umutwe nabonye abantu benshi bakoresha umutwe bavugana n'umukobwa ati sheri ko nshaka kujya gukoresha umutwe wamaye amafaranga bivuze ngo ntago abasanzwe menye gukoresha we mujye mukoresha umutwe mutekereza wana umutwe mugenda ahubwo bawusukura ariko umutwe ntago bawukoresha bageze muri salo gusa
Spin going in circles all night.
ijoro ryose naraye nzenguruka yandika byisubiramo nyine bimucanga ntago ari ukuzenguruka agenda ari gutangira nyine ikibazo kigatangira bushya
Get some rest, huh?
waruhutse sibigeze nka saa saba zibura saa 10 z'ijoro
I found a few extra clothes.
hano hari imyenda nari mpabonye
It's all that I could find that was left of my father's.
niyo ya papa nari mbonye isigaye ahari wajya uyambara mw'iyi minsi
Do you need anything else?
hari ikindi kintu waba ukeneye
No.
oya
Okay.
gatorori
Good night.
uramuke
Good night.
uramuke ni umukobwa bari kubana mw'iyi minsi
Can I come in?
ntinjire akana karakariye mama
Is everything all right?
mbese neza mwana wanjye arabaza akana karababaye baby
Leave me alone.
wanitse njyenyine
You can't stay mad at me forever, you know.
Mommy?
mama
Yeah, baby?
Can you lie next to me? Just for tonight?
mama iri joro wanjyama iruhande basi kana disi byagacanze kasabye mama kukaraza muri iryo joro nawe yaraye hano mu ntebe filime
You know,
urabizi
you're not the only one who's been having a hard time falling asleep.
mwana wanjye ntabwo ari wenyine ufite ibibazo byo gusinzira muri kano kanya nanjye birangoye
Why does Daddy's parents never come to see us?
ese ababyeyi ba papa kuki bataje kudusura
Well,
nyine
you know, Daddy's parents got very...
ababyeyi ba papa wawe barashaje cyane
Sometimes when people get old,
kandi abantu bashaje
their bodies can tend to get weak.
imibiri yabo iragenda ikamenya ntege nke
All the way out in Oklahoma.
kandi urabizi batuye muri Oklahoma
So, unfortunately,
ikibabaje
they've gotten so weak they can't come visit us.
babaye abanyantege nke ku buryo batabasha kugera no ngo badusure
Why don't we go visit them?
twese kuki tutajya kubasura ikibazo nimba bo bataza kudusura
A great idea.
ahubwo icyo gitekerezo ni cyiza
Doing that?
uyu yafashe ya telefone sasa ni ya telefone yakuye kuri wa mugabo wapfuye ni kati yari umugambanyi yakoranaga n'abagambanyi ndetse yari agiye kumujyana wa wundi wari inshuti ye yari areba muri telefone uyu nawe ari hano n'umwana uyu yarabyuka muri iryo joro sani iyi telefone areba ahantu yayihisha aza akorakora hano ni telefone ashaka kureba ahantu ngo yayihisha iyi telefone yayambuye umugabo wavuganaga n'abamutumye uyu telefone ndayitsimba tsimba mu telefone hano munsi y'intebe ari kubana n'umukobwa atazi
I know. I'm sorry to bother you so late. It's just...
Bure kukubangamira bwije. Na fande wa FBI.
Things aren't good to hear.
Ibintu ntabwo bimeze neza hano.
No, I'm not putting the full blame on you.
Ntabwo nshaka kubigushyiraho byose ngo mbikurenganyirize.
But that was your tip. The letters there, and God knows if I didn't listen to you, my agents would still be alive.
Ati buri gihe umpaye amakuru hameneka amaraso. Iyo nabikora ngo nkumvire abayigenti banjye bari ko bakiri bazima.
I want you to know what's going on.
Ndashaka kumenya n'ibiki bijya mbere hano.
People are asking questions, and I could get in a lot of trouble.
Mbere yuko nisanga mu bindi bibazo.
To know if maybe there's something you're hiding from me.
Ndashaka kumenya niba nta kintu uri kumpisha. Uyu nafande wa FBI sinzi nitari guhamagara. Ninde?
No.
Oya.
Listen, calm down.
Bantu nyumva ariko tuzi.
You've been very hard to get a hold of ever since the...
Kuva ryaturika ryawe biragoye kuba umuntu yaguhamagara ngo akubone.
I mean, very...
None nibwo nguhamagaye bigacamo ni sawa hano hari undi uri gukuramo kode. Uyu muyobozi wa FBI.
Okay. Well, I need to see you.
Okay, nkeneye kukubona. Afungura ngufu hano. Ejo tubonane.
The same place.
Yego ahandi dusanzwe duhurira.
Okay.
Bariho bahurira.
Good.
Byiza.
I'll see you then.
Tuze kubona nayo noneho. Uyu ni afande wa FBI. Wibuke ni nawe bahaye amakuru y'ahantu biriya byose byari biri na kiriya gipapuro cyari kinyanze kuvuga uwamuhaye amakuru. Katurori. Barakwereka. Ibyo byarabaye akana kagaruka ku ishuri. Papa yarapfuye akana muri iyi minsi ntabwo kameze neza. Karababaye. Ni ka Ana. Gusa papa agira gutya buri kabonye akanya. Basa kibeta buriya. Papa kaza ku ishuri kurunguruka areba akana uko kameze. Ese areba akana kameze gute? Kana karababaye. Nakabayaga.
I got 9 dead agents now.
Mfite abayigenti 9 bapfuye. Bitewe n'ahantu wambwiye ngo na warehouse wandangiye. Umukozi mubi yarenganye ibikoresho bye.
Risk. I willingly
Nanjye ukorera amakuru n'ishyize mu kangaratete.
war with their lives.
Ariko abishyuye ubuzima bwabo n'abayigenti banje niwo muhaye amakuru y'umusaza.
I can't seem to shake this feeling of regret. Like
Ni gute numva buri munota ndi kwicuza.
I did something bad. Like somehow this...
Hari ngiye wakoze ikintu kimwe amakosa yanjye.
Robert.
Robert.
We don't always regret the bad things we do.
Ntabwo iteka twicuza ibintu bibi dukora.
But sometimes we regret
Rimwe na rimwe
things we do.
twicuza ibintu byiza dukorera abantu babi. Ibaza ariko hari igihe ngo twicuza ibintu byiza dukorera abantu babi aho kwicuza ibintu bibi twakoze. Nabyo birashoboka. Ntabwo buri gihe wahora wicuza ibintu bibi wakoze, n'igihe wicuza ibintu byiza wakoreye abantu babi.
Telling me
Ese hari ikintu utari kumbwira?
that's insulting.
Ese muri kuntuka.
I need to know.
Nkeneye kumenya.
You're behaving as if we have no history.
Uri kwitwara nkaho nta mateka dufitanye mwana.
I'm trying to solve a case.
Ndi kugerageza gukemura ikirego kiri hano. Uyu wa FBI niwe muhaye amakuru y'ahantu hari rwa rwandiko hari n'ikihebe barahageze barahaturikira.
That it was important. Yeah, but did you know? Robert, I want answers as much as you do.
Njye ntabwo nari mfite ibisubizo nk'ibyo ushaka.
Can you help me solve this or not?
Fasha rero kino kibazo tugikemure cyangwa umbwire niba bidashoboka.
Desperation is...
Guta umutwe ntabwo bikubereye.
Like, just answer my question. Listen to me.
Nyumva ariko nyumva.
You have brought nothing to the table.
Ubundi we nta n'ikintu wanzaniye.
Favors.
Usibye ko waraje kunsaba faveri.
I give you a tip.
Naguhaye amakuru.
Want answers.
Kubera aribyo bisubizo nari mfite. Nanjye ndashakaga ibisubizo. Yaguhaye amakuru ahantu kiriya kibibiri kiriya gihebe cyari kiri ntari amadokima.
Just do your job.
Rero igihe dukora akazi kawe.
If you do it right, we'll both get
akazi nugakora neza twese turabona icyo dushaka.
Which is peace of mind.
Icyo dushaka kandi ni amahoro yo mu mutwe nta kirenzeho. Niyo murangiye ati kibe kiri hano agiye yohereza aba agent we dutangira filime. Ese umugabo bita Will Scott waba umuzi? Will Scott uramuzi? Niyo magambo yamubashije. Uriya mugabo bari bagiye guha akazi ko gukuramo kode.
Match
The marking on the victim's prosthesis corresponds with your hospital. Your
sasa cya kibe bakibonyemo ko cyari gifite insimburangingo bagicometsemo ati twasanze uwo mugabo ari hano yafuriwe mwatwereka amadosiye ye bakamenya imyirondoro y'icyo kibe kuko imyirondoro cyagenderago n'indi muntu cyari cyaribye ariko siriyo namba bagisanzemo yari kuri ya nsimburangingo mubiri igaragaza ko cyavuga muri bitaro.
That's not the issue.
Kibazo rero ntabwo ari icyo.
Somehow we lost the file and I have
amadosiye y'uwo murwayi twarayabuze ntituzi aho yagiye
over the place.
ariho imyirondoro y'icyo kigabo.
How is that possible?
Bishoboka bite?
I don't have the answer to that.
Nta gisubizo mfite cy'icyo kibazo madamu.
I'm a surgeon,
Genda umubaze.
not a records keeper.
Ntabwo ndubika amadosiye. Ntabwo ari records keeper.
Failure to you.
Ni surgeon. None si uyu muntu uramwibuka? Mwerekana icya kigabo. Sasu mu bitaro. Hey, jya hasi. Bitaro yaje kubazamo amakuru n'amadosiye ya cya kihebe kivurijemo. Bamenye amazina yacu. Kimwe twatangiye kirasa. Mujye hasi. None baramenya imyirondoro yacu. Akiri mu bitaro yumvishe amasasu. Ibitaro hamagara 911. Yuri imiro ya polisi. Gaturori. Baby. Hey. Uyu ni Riz. Kase. Uraza kumera sawa uyu murasiye kwa muganga. Komisi mbiri. Numva uri dore urashe uyarakurikira urashe mu bitaro. Acho. Hey. Bisa nkaho bano bantu babakurikirana. Wari ugiye kubaza amakuru y'ikihebe. Ibibaye ku bitaro murabibonye naho habaye kurasana. Ari amadosiye cyangwa kiriya gipapuro twabonye cyanditse mu makode menya ibiri hatari byiza na gato. Katururi.
Where's the doctor?
Muganga ari hehe?
Where's Dr. Kadi?
Muganga Koti ari hehe? Wa muganga yari kuvugisha umwirabura. Umufite amakuru avuga gato umuntu.
The doctor?
Muganga uramubonyera? Agasani. Muganga yisaburi kwirengero nawe. Bisa nk'ubu bagizi ba nabi cyasaba biri inyuma kubamenya kizira. Katururi. Hey.
You're back.
Uragarutse.
I see you're wearing your new clothes.
Ndabona wambaye imyenda mishyashya.
Suits you.
Irakubereye.
Thank you.
Urakaze.
I was worried.
Nari mangayitse.
I really don't think you should be roaming around.
Ntabwo nkeka uko ukomeza uzenguruka hirya no hino muri karitsiye.
Where were you?
Wari uri hehe?
Sam, get out. Get some air.
Nari ngiye gufata akayaga.
Dropped into my daughter's school.
Nca no ku ishuri ry'umukobwa wanjye.
You have a daughter?
Ufite umukobwa?
Just had to check on her, make sure she was okay.
Nari ngiye kureba ko umukobwa wanjye ameze neza.
You know, you could have put her life in danger.
Ubuzima bw'umukobwa wawe nabwo ushobora kubushyira mu kangaratete.
Could have seen you.
Hagize umuntu ukubona.
I miss her.
Nari mukumbuye.
And she's everything.
Kandi umukobwa wanjye ni buri kimwe.
Without her, the whole world means nothing.
Umukobwa wanjye adahari ibi byose bisobanuye ubusa.
She's my little angel.
Ni marayika wanjye muto.
She's tough, but she has a heart of gold.
Umwana wanjye arakomeye afite umutima wa zahabu.
Like I've never seen in another person before.
Nigeze mbona n'undi muntu uwo ari we wese.
She's the only thing keeping me going.
Ndetse umwana wanjye niwe ukomeje kumbeshaho. Aravuga umukobwa we. Nyawo. Yakuzabamani. Hako nino. Yaje hano.
The prosthesis we found in Alex Mays' upper right shoulder turns out to be a dead end.
Ya nsimburangingo twasanze muri uriya mugabo.
Him and orthopedic.
Byabaye nk'ari ryo herezo umenya nta yandi makuru tuzongera kubona.
We provided them.
Sounds like someone made sure the records of Alex Mays' surgery were erased before we could track him.
Bisa nkaho uriya mugizi wa nabi yabanje gusibanganya ibimenyetso by'uwo mugabo Alex Mays mbere yuko tuhagera. Alex Mays yimye ko kira kiye bakitaga ariko nayo ni imyirondoro cyari cyaribye.
He's a good man.
Kati wapfuye ari umuntu mwiza.
It seemed like he was acting a little strange before his accident.
Ariko mbere yuko iriya manuka iba yapfiremo Kati yari kwitwara mu buryo budasanzwe.
Started keeping to himself.
Bisa nkaho ari ikintu cyari kiri kumurangaza cyangwa kumubangamira akabyihererana.
That was bullshit.
I guess.
Kurt was never an introvert.
Kati ntabwo yajyaga yihererana amakuru.
Somebody scared him.
Bisa nkaho ari umuntu wamuteye ubwoba.
Who verified the identity?
Ubundi tubanze tumenye Kati ajya gupfa yarakurikiye Will Scott yanamugambaniye.
Please just be done with this shit.
Done with it? Are you listening to yourself?
Bino tube tubyihuri uri kwiyumva ariko ngo tube tubyihuri.
9 agents have died. Oh, what?
aba agent ikindi bapfiriye kuri iki kirego gusa.
That has to be an all-time low for the bureau.
Ndetse bizahoraho igihe cyose icyo gihombo tugize muri iyi biro yacu.
We barely made any progress.
Noneho nta n'ahantu turi kujya, mbega ntaho bari kuva, naho bari kujya kuri iki kirego ngo bavuge ngo wenda bari gusatira.
I have lost some of my closest friends from this case. Don't tell me how you're done with it.
Naburi inshuti zanjye za hafi muri iki kirego, ntumbwire ngo tukiveho.
Agree with you.
Turemeranya ariko. Turemeranya. Wisi. Turi kumwe. Oya. Umukobwa yarakaye.
You think this isn't hard for me?
Urakeka njye ntabwo bingoye?
Those were my best
Bariya bose bapfuye nanjye bari inshuti zanjye.
My family.
Bari bameze nka famiye.
And you.
Kandi nawe.
I care about you.
Erega nawe nkwitaho Liz.
I want you to know I'm here. If you need anything.
Ndetse mbagira ngo umenye ko mpari igihe cyose wagira icyo ukenera. Nabakorana. Dusubire mu kazi.
Have you seen Robert?
Robert wamubonye?
He was here earlier today.
Yari ari hano kare. Ntabwo wamubonye? Uyikurebamo hano? Byabacanze. Ntaho bari kujya ku kirego cyabo ngo bavuge ngo wenda bari gukeka, hari aho bari kugana wapi. Ikirego gisa nk'icyabacanze cyahagarariye hamwe. Yo. Ikirego cyabo cyose gisa nk'igishingiye ku gipapuro kirimo amakode. Icyo gipapuro dore ngiki. Uyakomeje gukuramo kode agerageza.
We've been at this for hours. How about a dinner break?
Tumaze amasaha turi muri ibi twagiye kurya. Oya.
Scarlett, just give me something.
You need to
Scarlett wagize icyuma.
What I need to do is crack this code.
Reka no kode mbanze nyikuremo.
suit yourself.
Okay.
I'm gonna order a pizza.
Reka ntume pizza muri resitora bita gift. Niho bagira pizza nziza hariya mu mujyi buriya.
Just don't get it.
Breakfast, icyo kurya cya saa sita, ibintu byose ubundi ni muri gift.
Million Scarletts in the United States without.
Baje kubona izina ryitwa Scarlett, kandi ba Scarlett ni nka miliyoni nyinshi cyane bitwa gutyo muri Amerika. Baje kubona izina rimwe ryitwa Scarlett.
Why don't you move on to the next one and jump around?
Uwo nguwo tumusimbuke rero.
Because it's a person, Claire.
Uyu ni umuntu.
Just jump around this.
Umuntu ntabwo bamusimbuka.
How many names are on the list?
Ese iyo lisiti y'abantu bangana iki? Ni lisiti y'abantu bazicwa.
Well, if each line corresponds to the person, then 26
Bashobora kuba ari abantu 26.
are already dead.
Bane muri bari ko bamaze gupfa.
The list primarily consists of
Iyi lisiti iriho Kilatini,
Pharaonic,
ikirimi cyo kwa Bafarawo,
Arabic,
icyarabu cya kera,
Chinese symbols.
ibimenyetso by'Abashinwa, byose biriho.
Here, these symbols, those are Mayan.
Iki kirimi ni icy'Abamayani
Celtic, to be precise.
ndetse na Jakatel.
And you know,
Ubizi ute?
I studied Mayan architecture. If you're
Nize Mayani architecture,
counting these,
bino mu bibara gute? Umukobwa nabonyemo ibyasi.
what numerical classifier are you using?
Mbwira numerical classifier muri gukoresha hano.
No,
what?
Rebe,
it's flat. The list, it's flat.
urabona iyi lisiti ibisa nk'ibitambitse. Uravuga iki?
In the Celtic language,
Iyo uri kusoma ikirimi cy'Abacakatani,
different numerical classifier when counting flat.
ukoresha uburyo ibintu bitambitse mu rwego rwo kubara imibare yabo cy'imbere. Kuko ugatangira kumusobanurira. Ashyiramo hano barebe buryo ki ibintu by'abari babibaramo.
What are you doing?
Just
Okay.
Yandika hano.
W.
W. Komeza kureba. Biramufasha komeza kugira.
You're a genius.
Wa mukobwa ufite ubwenge we, biri gukora.
Watkins?
Scarlett Watkins.
Bingo.
Okay, where do you live, Scarlett Watkins?
Atuye hehe? Amakuru batangiye kuyabona. Scarlett Watkins izina bararibonye. Zina barikuyemo.
You have your own law firm in North Hollywood.
Uyu mugabo mu majyaruguru ya Hollywood afite cabinet d'avocat ye. Baramubonye. Reka bari we tujya kureba. N'undi uri kuri list. Kandi iyi ni hit list twabonye, ni list abantu bose bari bagomba gukwicwa.
Where is
Babonye witwa ngo Scarlett Watkins. Bahise bamenye ko afite cabinet d'avocat mu majyaruguru ya Hollywood. Niho bagiye kujya. PI bano nabo batonganyemo.
Hey.
We yari kunywa niyoko n'itabi bita niyoko nabonye mu Rwanda ryarahageze rimwe na ribiri cyane.
Quit.
Nari nzi ko uretse itabi.
I did.
Yego narariritse.
Not starting up again.
Ntabwo ngiye kurisubira. Karakanyuma.
Look,
Mva.
I'm sorry.
Mbabarire.
I shouldn't have lashed out on you. I was
Ntabwo nakabaye nakubwanukiye ngo utonganye.
angry, I should say.
Nari mfite ubwoba cyangwa se narakaye sinzi ko nabivuga.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
There's something you should know.
Hari ikintu ufite kumenya.
I should have told you sooner.
Nakabaye narakikubwiye na mbere.
What's going on?
Ibiki bijya mbere.
You know, I paid a visit to the orthopedic center earlier.
Nasuye ryafuriro kare.
And you told me that was the day?
Wambwiye ko ariho birangiriye ariko byaducanze.
Yes and no.
Birashoboka cyane binashoboka.
Care to elaborate on that?
Wansobanurira neza.
Promise me
Nsezeranye.
stays between us.
Kubera bigume hagati yanjye nawe.
I don't know who I can trust anymore.
Ubu ntabwo nzi undi muntu nakwizera ubu nonaha.
I know I can trust you.
Urabizi we nakwizera sibyo? Urebe. Ako nino. Bano nabo bamaze kumenya uko bwara amakuru ngo yabonye. Bano bahise baza hano.
Okay, here we are.
Urabizi. Ni mu rugo rwo babonye kuri liste. Bisa nkaho ari ugomba gukurikira mu ugomba gupfa.
Access to her cell phone, we're gonna need everything. Emails, text,
Turaza gukirira email, message,
social media,
imbuga nkoranyambaga zabo.
everything on my desk.
Mu masaha abiri byose mbibone ku meza yanjye.
What's the latest?
Mugeze he?
We mapped out every possible whereabout Will frequented leading up to his disappearance.
Turi kugerageza guhuza ahantu hose afite aho ahuriye n'uriya mugabo ko yabuzemo.
Nothing on that end.
We visited his old place and found out from his ex-wife about him moving out a few months back. Unfortunately,
Twasuye umugore w'uriya mwikizi wa nabi dusanga yari agiye kwimuka.
And we used the database of over 24 real estate agencies in Los Angeles, linking the name Will Scott to rental agreements, and the results were positive. We haven't addressed.
Ndetse Will Scott twamaze kumenya n'ahantu yari atuye.
as of yet.
All right, let's go. Come on, right now.
Turi bahita bacaho.
Do me a favor. Turn this place up.
Umva uho hantu nimuhagera urugo rwose mu rushyire hasi mbega mu rusake buri nguni yose.
Yeah, I saw him.
Genda arahira nabonye papa.
Listen,
Ana.
I know this has been
Wa mwana ndabizi bino bintu birakugoye.
difficult for me to
Ariko nanjye birangoye kana kari kubwira mama ngo nabonye papa uyu munsi.
accept the truth about your father. The sooner you can start healing.
Nuko utarakira neza ngo utangire kwakira ko papa yapfuye ariko nawe wabonye.
Sometimes
Rimwe na rimwe
things can play tricks on you.
ubwonko nabwo bugiye butushuka.
In times of sadness.
Cyane cyane mu gihe cy'akababaro hari igihe ubona umuntu we wapfuye ukongera ukamubona.
Because one day we'll be able to smile and be happy again when we think of
Usihangana umunsi umwe tuzongera tubashe guseka.
it's just gonna take some time, baby.
Gusa bizatwara igihe baby.
How much time?
Igihe kingana iki se?
Well, that depends.
Bizaterwa.
But I know talking about it definitely helps.
I just don't want to talk about the sad things.
Okay. We can talk about the good things.
Cyese nshaka ko tuganira ibintu bibabaje okay tuganira ibintu byiza.
Let's tell each other what we miss most about your
Reka noneho twese tuganire tubwira n'icyo buri umwe akumbuye kuri papa.
things.
Ariko ibintu byiza gusa. Sibyo? Ngo nibyo bagiye kuganira. Mbwira ibintu byiza ukumbuye kuri papa wawe wapfuye nanjye nkubwire. Mama n'umwana.
I'll go first.
Reka mbanze. Kugerageza kwikura mu gahinda.
I miss his laugh.
Nkumbuye ukuntu papa wawe yasekaga.
Your turn.
Nawe mbwira icyo ukumbuye kuri so.
I miss the goofy eyes he would make at me sometimes.
Njye nkumbuye ukuntu yajyaga akaraga amaso rimwe na rimwe akigira gutya. Turi gutera story.
Really good.
Yari abishoboye.
Pancakes.
Ndetse na pancake yatekaga. Mama yarakurushaga kuziteka wakagoryiwe. Baraganira.
Does this help?
Biri kugufasha?
Yeah.
Yego. Narumiwe. Ubu rero ukuntu butangwa hano hanze.
Anything. Even if it sounds crazy.
Ibintu byose tubiganira byaba ari ubusazi.
Sounds crazy.
Umugore yitwa Leya. Umugabo yaje hano. Urebe filime. Dore yaje. Mbere na mbere yaje mu rugo rwe.
Your daughter, she's cute.
Umukobwa we ni mwiza. Yabanje kuza mu rugo rwe. Kandi FBI yamaze kumenya urugo uyu mugabo yabagamo mbere.
Just in case.
Amaze gutandukana n'umugore we ngo urugo yagiye kubamo. Nirwo yabanje gucamo abanza apakira ibyo apakira. Ubundi agiye kureba uwo mugabo babonye ugiye gukurikira mu bicwa bajye kumureba nyuma.
Who's that?
Uninde? Urubumvishe. Mu nzu ye. FBI yahamenye kandi bazi ko uyu mugabo yapfuye. Twese twagiye. FBI yavuze ati inzu ye baze bayicurike bamenye akantu ku kandi. Arabinjiye hano. Mu rugo rwe rwa Will Scott yatandukanye n'umugore ataza kurubamo. Dore nguyu.
The door's supposed to be locked.
Umuryango wakagombye kuba ari ufunze.
Something's up.
Harimo ikibazo hano hantu. Harimo ikibazo. Dore umugabo ari gucika. Nta muntu umwe wo kwizera. Uwo yagerageje guhamagara muri FBI w'inshuti ye yashatse kumwiyicira. Ntanswe bano none hatanazi batari inshuti zibo muri FBI. Umugabo ari kuba kwipa nta muntu umwe ashaka amenye ko akiri muzima ataramenya ibyiriya list. Bimeze bite? Abantu bazi ko yapfuye. Inzu ye bayigezemo. Ari kumanuka na mukobwa. Gatururi. Umugabo Shisheni.
Clear?
Meze sawa?
I'm good.
Cyemeze sandumva nta muntu urimo hano. Gatururi. Sasa yarebye hano. Wibuke uriya mugabo bajya kumufata. FBI nta ya list irimo kode bari bagifite. Umugabo yari yarayigiye arayifotora yose amakode abimanika ku gikuta cye. Turi ngo barabigwaho.
It's up on the fridge.
Iyi foto yari imanitse kuri firigo. Turerwa ya kode ngo barongere bakayibona. Ya makode. Reba hakuno ino.
Aja ni wiki.
Nyumbati.
Biachana changu.
Ibintu mutango
kuri kurababaza.
Mane je ujya mwana je sindamukunda. Twe twamanutse mu muji tuje kurondera inoti.